If you're new to day trading, this video is for you. This is a short clip of me taking a trade this morning. I was trading NASDAQ futures. Price action played out just right for me to take a trade off of a bear flag pattern. And in this video, I explain why I took that trade, the criteria that had to be met in order for me to take that trade. So check out this short clip and let me know what you think. Maybe this can help you with your trading. Okay guys, so as you just saw, I took that short there. We had this nice little bear flag here. We had clear momentum on the 4 hour, the 15 and the 5 minute time frames. And this red line you see here on these charts, that's the low from yesterday. So since we have such good momentum going down in that direction, I think there's a good chance that we sweep liquidity from underneath that low. So there's a chance we go down there to that red line, maybe a little bit lower, or maybe we just have an actual move that, you know, continues to the downside on the higher time frames. But either way, I just locked in my 10 points. So that was my second trade for the day. I took another short right up here just based on the strong momentum. And then after we had that flag set up and I saw this bearish candle here, I went ahead and took another short down. But I locked in my 10 points, not pushing my luck, because I do think we're going to go below that red line. But I just wanted to lock in my 10 points and be done, because now I'm up 383 on the day just from trading one NQ, two trades up 383. This is a $50,000 Tradify eval account, so I'm working my way towards getting this one funded and getting payouts. So, you know, for a Friday where we're coming up on a long weekend, it's just now 8:57 a.m. Market's not even been open for 30 minutes yet, and I'm up 383. So I'm going to call it a day right there. But like I said in my last video, if you didn't watch that, go check it out. I was talking about how I just trade these flag patterns and reversal patterns. So in yesterday's video, I got one trade and it was a reversal trade. And today I've got this, I didn't get my other trade recorded, but this trade you got to see. This was a nice bear flag setup. It met the criteria. My criteria for these flag patterns is there has to be clear, strong momentum on all three of these higher time frames, and price cannot be pushing into or right at support or resistance. And like I said, we were moving towards this support here where yesterday's low was. And I think we will probably hit that, sweep below it a little bit. But since we still had a little bit of distance between there, I went ahead and took the trade. But now that we're down here even closer to it, I don't think I would try to test my luck with that. But for that trade, it met the criteria. I took the trade. It was a winner. So pretty good amount of profits for the day for just trading one NQ, two trades. Up 383. I was up about 200 yesterday, so not too bad. The last couple of days I'm up 525. It's now 9 a.m. and I'm probably just done trading for the day since it's Friday and we have the long weekend. So, you know, maybe you learned something from this video. Try sticking with these flag patterns or the reversal pattern that I traded in my last video. You know, these are high probability setups. So when you see clear direction, clear momentum on this 4 hour chart here, You see these candles, the body's getting bigger and bigger. The 15, the bodies were getting bigger and bigger. The 5 minute, that's a strong bearish trend on the 5 minute. We're starting to see deceleration now on the 5, but that's a strong downtrend right there. So when you see a flag pattern like this, with that much momentum in your favor, in your direction, then that's a really safe bet to try to just lock in 10 points off of that bear flag. So thanks for watching. I'll be making more videos next week starting Tuesday when the market opens back up, and try to trade some more flags and some more reversals. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and if you got any questions, just comment below. Let me know, do you trade futures, do you trade stocks, crypto, forex? What's your favorite thing to trade? What's your favorite strategy to use? And just let me know. Be glad to hear from you. Until next time, peace out.